So problem is from J Advanced 2025, paper 2. So we have 3 machines in a factory that are producing bulbs. So in the ratio 2 is to 2 is to 1, the number of bulbs produced by the 3 machines. And we are also given that 20% of the total bulbs are defective. And from machine M1, 15% of the produced bulbs are defective. So, and we are also given that probability of a ball chosen at random which is defective, then the probability that this ball was from machine M2 is 2 by 5. This is also given, and we need to find that probability that a ball is defective given that the ball is chosen from the M3 block. This we need to find. So to solve this, I'll use Bayes theorem probability. It states like this, where B is the given event and A is the event of the required event for which the probability we are finding, given that B has occurred. So the given is probability, this one, like 2 by 5 that we have given. I'll use it first. So it is basically nothing but probability of a ball that it is from M2 given that it is defective. So if we apply Bayes theorem to this equation, we can write it as like this: probability that a ball is defective given that ball is chosen from M2 block, using this formula, and into probability from M2 upon probability is defective. So this is 2 by 5 we are given, and equals to, so probability that it is defective and chosen from M2. So we are given this ratio, so we can divide the bulbs in the ratio 2 by 5 to B by 5 and B by 5. So this numerator expression can be written as number of defective bulbs we can assume as D in the M2, and total number of M2 bulbs are 2B by 5. So probability that it is defective will be D upon 2B by 5 into probability that the bulb is from M2 is nothing but 2 by 5, because there will be the ratio of the number of bulbs produced. And in the below we are getting a probability that the bulb is defective. So total number of defective bulb is, we are given that 20% of the total bulbs are defective, then so the probability of bulb is defective is 1 by 5, 20% of B, or anything you can say. So using solving this equation, we can get D in terms of B. B, I have assumed total number of bulbs produced by all the 3 machines in the factory. So from D we can say that D is equals to 2B by 25. So the D is nothing but number of defective bulbs in M2, as we have assumed in the numerator. So now number of defective bulbs in M3 we need to find the required probability. So we can simply subtract it from the total number of defective bulbs minus the sum of the defective bulbs from M1 and M2. So from M2 we have already found, and from M1 it is already given that it is 15%. So 15% of B. B number of bulbs in B is 2B by 5. So if we find 15%, then we get 3B by 50. So we solve this, and then we get 3B by 50 as the number of defective bulbs in M3. I am saying ball, just understand it is bulb. So now to find the probability that the bulb is defective given that it is chosen from M3 block, so it will be number of defective bulbs upon number of bulbs in M3. So this will be the equation, and we will get 0.3 as the answer.